Check out our newest mobile app update. Now you can access your service calendars right within the mobile app. This update introduces service calendars into the mobile app, ensuring and enabling that account admins and users can now manage and create service appointments directly from their mobile devices, enhancing flexibility and efficiency. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to allow for convenient scheduling. Now you can easily create and manage service appointments on the go. It's also fully functional. Now you can access all of those desktop service calendar features right on your mobile device. It's going to improve your mobility. Now you can manage your business operations from anywhere when it comes to your service calendar. You can now schedule a new service appointment directly from your mobile device, assigning the appropriate team member and resources without needing to return to the office. Let me show you exactly how to use this new update. First, you want to open the mobile app. Now, go ahead and select the calendar selection and select the drop-down menu. Within the drop-down menu, you're going to select the service calendar. From there, you're going to create a new service appointment by clicking the plus button. And now go ahead and simply schedule that appointment. Select the contact and go ahead and choose a service calendar. Select that from the drop-down menu. Now let's go ahead and assign a team member. And you're going to go ahead and select the room. And you're going to go ahead and specifically configure that appointment. This feature ensures that you have full control over your service appointments right from your mobile device, significantly enhancing operational flexibility and efficiency within the mobile version of the CRM. We hope you enjoy this feature. Let us know if you need any help